Good morning, classmates, and especially to you, sir. We are the reporters of Group 3. I am Stephen Vincent and Kyle Antonio,
I'm Diana Restrepo.
and we would like to introduce our topic, which is historical importance of text in understanding Philippine history. So first, I will read the text and I will explain. So historical text is an important memories, stories, and characters have less meaning in analyzing historical events, and in a time when cameras and smartphones do not exist, text can help us imagine the narratives of people's behavior. So the importance of this text is to know what happened to the past. So unsay nahitabo sa una, kung nganong angay mo to siya may bawaan. It is a primary goal to know Magellan and Lapu-Lapu. Story to read the text. Historical text is important. Memory, stories, and characters have less meaning in analyzing historical events in a time when cameras and smartphones do not exist. Text can help us imagine the narrative people behavior. So based on this text, historical text is very important because without this we will not know the whole story of the past. Kung kini wala ni siya, dili ta makahibalo ug unsa gyud mga nahitabo sa una. Sa wala pa ni exist ang mga gadget. So I think that's all. So here's the next. First, I would like to read the text. On Friday, April 26, 1521, Zula, chief of the islands of Mactan, sent one of his sons to present 2 goats to the captain. So, according to our research, famed Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan, 1480